I know you're hungry, buddy. So hungry. But we'll find something. We will. Stay with me. Okay. Help! Somebody help me! Let me go, please! Ah! I can't breathe! The cat runs towards the eagle, fearless. It leaps and attacks the eagle. The eagle drops the badger. The cat saves the mongoose as it falls. The mongoose is safe. They share a joyful embrace, tears of happiness in their eyes. Ready to go, buddy? Yes! I'm so happy we're together. Me too. Our friendship is stronger than ever.